Hello students, today I have come before you with very important topic, that is set a goal. You know what happens in our life when we don't have goal, we don't know how much hard work and which direction we have to do the hard work. So set a goal. From fifth class, you should know what is your goal. Like set a goal like I will become a doctor, I will become a police officer, I will become an engineer. When you have a goal in mind, then your hard work would go into right direction. Understand? You know what happens in 10th class, students ask, sir, what subjects I have to opt? This is wrong. Which stream I have to go? Understand that if you know your goal, that you automatically can understand that what kind of subjects you have to choose. Some students, what they do, like they choose arts in hodgepodge, they don't understand. And after some time, after studying arts for 2 3 years, they realize no. I was very much fitting non-medical or medical. I could do medical, non-medical. So this is very wrong. In place of regretting at that time, if you choose your goal at proper time, definitely you can achieve that. Understand? But one general formula is that do hard work. There is no alternative for hard work. If you don't do hard work, you cannot achieve anything. Am I right? Tell me, can you sit on that bus that doesn't know where it has to go? Definitely no. That's why goal is important. A person who doesn't have a goal, he cannot reach anywhere. Am I right? Whatever profession he is fit in, he would go, but he cannot give his best over there. So choose your goal, students. Understand? Choose your goal in 8th class, because I would say that that is very important class. In 8th class, choose what you would have to become in life. Okay, so that in 10th class you have no need of thinking that I should go for non-medical or arts or commerce. Understand? So I would say, you know, students, they want to become a teacher. Obviously they can go for non-medical, they can go for commerce, they can go for arts as well. So select the subject. If you want to become a teacher of maths, go for non-medical. If you want to become a teacher of arts, history, or you can say sociology or psychology, you can go for arts. If you want to be a teacher of economics, yeah, then you can go for the commerce subject. And this is a very, you can say, big confusion in the mind of the student, that if I would study commerce, then I would get a job in banks. No. When banks asks for applications for their posts, for vacancies, they they have one common paper exam for everyone. Arts graduates, and non-medical graduates, commerce graduates, all can participate in that, you can say, competition, crack that exam, and easily get the job in banks. There are some jobs, they maybe that I don't know in this time, that they can be, you can say, only for commerce students. You can say, search for them. But for bank job, I think arts and non-medical can both can qualify. Okay. Okay, one very important thing, that is, like, if you want to become a doctor, you have to be perfect in maths and science. Understand? Because of course maths and science, they would help you in cracking NEET exam after 12th class. Okay, so this is preparation for that. And one thing is also there, that in 8th class, if you select your goal, that you want to become a doctor, then you will study science more, you can say, deeply than you are studying it in other way when you don't have goal in your mind. Am I right? In the similar way, if you want to become an IAS officer, then you have to study your all the subjects including SST very much deeply. In other ways, in general sense, all the students should be perfect in all the subjects, but it depends on your goal also, because if somebody want to become a teacher of English, definitely he would study science and maths in a little different way than the person who want to, a student who want to become a doctor. Am I right? It totally depends on yourself. But I would say, set a goal for you. Okay. Do hard work, and definitely you would succeed in whatever, you can say, profession you want to be. Am I right? And respect all. This is the first and foremost, you can say, value in education. This is the quality of a qualified person, that he must be polite with others, his behavior must be good with others, and he help others, and never, you can say, get depressed or never get angry on small issues. Thank you very much. Subscribe my channel and do share it.